guys, in today's video I'll open to pack under the sink organizer. It's under bathroom cabinet storage. You can use it like a multi-purpose under the sink shelf organizer or a storage rack in your pantry area also. It comes with a 2-pack storage rack. So these two under the sink organizers are made with high quality ABS plastic material. The thickened basket makes it more sturdy and durable. So these under the sink organizers can be disassembled and assembled. So you can see I have used it as the under the bathroom sink organizer, but you can use it also as a kitchen under the kitchen sink organizer, or also you can use it as a kitchen spice rack, or you can use it for as a cosmetic storage, or you can use for storing your cleaning supplies. Yeah, you can use it as multiple ways, and yeah, definitely these are like a really great one. So this clear bag has 2 zipper pockets and back pocket with an adjustable straps, and it's very sturdy. So this see-through stadium purse is made of durable, waterproof and cold-proof clear PVC, soft nylon and strong zippers with adjustable shoulder strap, 33-inch to up to 63-inch. This is how it looks. You can change the settings here. This is low setting and this is standard setting. That's all. It's not like a rocket science. This is 2 buttons. That's all. And after catching all this box, you can remove this one.
Before using, you should have Push. Okay.
So you can remove all this box from this side.
Did they give you the glue papers?
So this is the glue paper they have given. So we have to connect this glue paper in the pillar.
They have given
So many glue paper.
they have given 4 glue papers.
So glue paper.
Now if you press this one, you put the glue paper. Catching.
So this is how we can see this works. French fries holder, you can say. Same of French fries. So you can put your French fries here.
In today's video, I will open this stepping stone for kids. So these stepping stones comes with 5-piece non-slip plastic balance river stones, and you can use it for indoor and outdoor. It's maximum weight almost like 220 pounds, and age range you can use for 3 years to 5-year-old kids. these 5 blocks comes with a different colors with different shapes. Durable and strong bearing. It made with non-toxic and odorless healthy PP material. Kids can walk, stand, jump, or climb on the stepping stones for balance and coordination skills. Training set as an obstacle course help promote color cognition ability, and use these blocks as the steps to reach the high, or as a stool for sitting also you can use it.